I found diamonds. Hey guys, welcome to Gura's stream. He's currently, yeah, hi, there he
Guerrillatite.
is. Okay. Gura's currently, I don't know. You know what? No, never mind. I don't know what he's doing. He's probably out there busy with some stuff, but he's gonna come back in like 5 minutes. So, hello, welcome to the stream, everyone. I'm trying to mine some stuff. I'm just mining. No biggie. I'm not doing anything. Yeah. I my iron pickaxe broke. What the
Yo, I'm back. Yo, I'm back. Yo,
Yo,
what's up? What's
Gura,
up?
Gura, can I
So,
TPA to you?
sure. So I was thinking about what more can we do to expand our base, to gradually increase our members.
Invite the viewers?
Yeah, viewers, come join Pennycraft.
Yeah, come.
Yeah,
Wait,
come to what?
wait, what?
Excuse me, what?
Gura, sorry. But what?
Maling button, maling button. And we're live. Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen. Pre, ba't mo ginamit yung diamond? Pang item frame, di ba yung isa?
Akin to. I
Kaya
found it.
nga, lahat tayo. Basta yung pinakaunang diamond, di ba pag-usapan
Ito.
natin? Okay, good. Nice. Okay, so saan yung item frame? Ay, meron pa isa.
Okay, I'm gonna put here.
Saan natin ito pwede ilagay?
They can have this. I don't care.
Loko ni tinitingnan. So this is the first diamond, one of the first diamond to be mined. There we go.
We need to name it.
Oh yeah, wait, may name tag ako nakita. Oh, never mind, di
Anong
pala
name
kailangan ng name
tag?
tag yun. Sino nagbo-bro? Narinig ko may nagbo-bro ah.
Yung villager yun.
May pinatay akong villager, ba't buhay pa to? Hoy, ba't ka nandito? Bigyan mo ako trade. No, wait, maling bed, maling bed. I am royalty. I need to sleep on the... Yan. We are royalty, everyone. We are royalty.
What the frick is this villager doing here?
He is fucking ang llama.
Gura, I might accidentally kill your dogs. Kill the llamas. Kill the llamas.
Go dogs. Go dogs. Very good. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Now suck my penis.
Sorry, but that's zoophile right there. We hate zoophiles. Always remember, chat, don't ever become a zoophile. You're the worst.
Always remember, kids, don't do drugs.
Oo nga pala, Gura, yung medicine, yung drugs, I mean, yung medicine natin.
It's a medicine. It's a medicine.
Yeah, medicine sa medicine.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Gura,
Wrecking
nasan yung
Havoc.
medicine natin? Di mo sasabihin or papatayin kita.
It's medicine.
Yes, it's a medicine. It's not a drug.
Medicine
Alright, guys,
is a
it's
drug
not a drug.
too. So daming villager. Overpopulated na yung area. Kailangan magbawas.
I'm getting killed by a baby zombie. I just killed 456 in the nether portal.
Huwag mo patayin si 456.
Baby zombie siya.
Wait, what?
Natake
Oh my
ako.
goodness.
Wait, where did I spawn?
May slash home na pala, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Slash set
I went to
home.
the portal and I went back. All of your items just went out, by the way, Gura. Oh my god. How did you even die to an iron golem?
Yo,
Indeed,
nag-join na
double
rin
D.
si ano. Yo. Ay, nag-leave. Oh, pwede pala. Para di ko naitay. Pwede pala mag-slash tab na lang.
Gorilla yo.
He left.
Paano i-off yung ano? Ito pala.
Narrator. Off.
Nakakainis si narrator na to.
Control B.
Hey, doggy, doggy, doggy. Sino yung natamaan ko? Sino yung natamaan
Yung
ko?
doggy style mo ngayon, I mean, frick. Sorry, what?
Okay, tara. Follow daddy. I mean, follow master.
It's king, dumbass.
What do you call an ass? It's a pussycat. Kill it. No. No, you won't escape me. Pussycat, die. Pussycat. Yes, go dogs. Kaya nga yan. Napatay nyo. Very good. Animal abuse / slavery at its finest. Very nice. A little touch of independence. Now all of you dogs shall remain quiet. By the way, may grade 3 na tayo.
Okay, go.
Don't ask kung paano siya naging ganyan. It was an experiment. And it worked. Nonetheless.
Eggs, bacon, grilled sausage.
Kala ko ano.
DDMC nga kita.
Hmm?
A million dreams, the world is gonna turn. A million
Oh no, wag yung kanta na yan.
However big, however
Ouch,
small,
ano yun?
be a part of it all.
Oh my goodness, paano nakapasok yung aso ko dun? No, wag ko patayin. No! Oh, you're a bad dog. You're a bad dog. You're a bad dog.
Okay, Gura, can I TPA to you?
You're a bad dog. You're a bad dog.
Gura, TPA.
You're a bad dog. You deserve to be stuck there in the jail. Pinatay mo sila 4, 5, 6. Bad dog.
You put him in there.
Ay.
You're the bad guy here. Oh, he just whined. Oh, I'm so sorry, dog. Come here.
Wag!
Come here. Puppy wolf. It's okay.
No.
Here.
Pinatay
you
niya si
can eat this.
4, 5, 6. Di ko alam paano siya nakapasok. Kumasya pala
Okay,
siya.
go. Asa pa rin to. I swear, if you kill him, I'm gonna kill you. What the?
Yes! Yes! It was all part of the plan.
Yo, by the way, no one cares.
It's my genius plan.
Gura, you're clearly breaking the rules.
How?
Because you suck on some dick. Bura, you don't have any items right now, don't you?
I have. Uy! Ay! Tanga. Paano ka nakapas? Seriously, wala ba talaga magka-close ng door?
Let's see where I spawn.
Share your dreams with me. By the way, hindi ko na nakikita nag-online pa yung server ni Kuya Sed.
Yeah, kasi hindi na dapat mag-online yan.
Bakit?
Ay, yung isa, yung sinalihan natin,
Oo.
yung ano, yung sumali ka,
Mm-mm.
hindi yung server ni Kuya Sad yun.
Eh, kanina ba yan?
Ano, kay EJ.
Oo. Ba't di na nag-online?
Ano, pinaquit niya yung isa. Ano ba to si DSWD?
Kaibigan ko dito.
Trying to explore the nether right now.
Ba't kasi hindi ka na lang mag-stream ulit o kaya mag-record ng video para kasi yung gagawin ko kasi every week gagawa ko ng short video every week about sa nangyari. Kunwari, this week Guerrilla made ganun. Rias made ganun, ano kaya. Basta mga happenings in that specific week. Kaya kailangan ko yung mga point of view nyo. Ganun, kung ano. Sayang. Hindi ka na kasi nag-i-stream eh.
If only. So, hindi ako marunong mag-setup.
Easy lang kaya. This is not sponsored, okay? This is not sponsored.
Oh!
Okay, so first, download mo lang is Streamlabs. Then yun. Tapos na.
Oh my gosh, I probably lost my diamonds.
Oh!
Wait. I got it back. Don't worry.
Yun talaga yung kinakatakutan natin sa buong server eh. Since day 1.
Sino ba hindi matatakot doon? Mawawala lahat ng gamit mo.
Bakit ako? Hindi siya natakot ang naman.
I got it back. Don't worry.
Nice.
Ah! I'm burning!
Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock
Oh,
knock.
frick. Oh god, I'm getting chased.
Oh, nasira yung pickaxe ko. Great. Grip.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! Please, have mercy on me.
Please have mercy on me. Yeah.
You're legit gonna get DMCA'd.
Copyright. Copyright claimed.